Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic mind map. Friend, this topic pertains to project management. However, basically it's more related to brainstorming technique. So friend, today we'll discuss this topic with respect to project management, that what does it mean by mind map and how we can use it, especially if you are a student and studying project management in any university or planning to give exam of PMP. So it is important for you to understand the concept of mind map because you will see this topic in the exam. So exam point of view, this topic is important. Also, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again this topic is important for you, that what is the purpose, what is the concept of mind map, and how we can use it in the professional practical life. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Mind map. Friend, mind map is an easy way to brainstorm thoughts organically. See friend, here as a project manager friend, you have to think about many factor. Basically, mind mapping is a technique, is a diagramming technique through which we can brainstorm the things. See friend, here normally what happened, that whenever we make a diagram in software development or in project management, there should be some thoughts, there should be some links, dependencies between the entities, and based on the relationship and entities, we draw a diagram. However, when we talk about mind map, basically friend, it's a technique of brainstorming your ideas, and there is no such specific links, relationships, dependencies are required to make a diagram. You just take a pen and pencil and paper and start drawing your idea on the paper. This is just simple as that. There is no such you can say any specific you can say the dependencies and relationships you need to draw. You just need an idea in your and thoughts in your mind, and there just take a pencil, paper, and start drawing your idea, that how your idea can float, how your idea can grow. This is just like simple as that. So friend, see, basically whenever we talk any other diagrammic method, like for example ERD diagram or any other diagram, so friend, there should be some dependencies, relationships, entities, domains you have to identify accordingly. However, when we talk about mind map is a very simple way to draw your idea, and anyone can do that. There is no specific training or specific training is required to draw the idea. You just need the thoughts, clear idea in your mind, and you just start drawing it on the paper. So it's as simple as that. So friend, just remember one thing, the mind map is a diagramming technique for brainstorming your ideas. It can be used for problem solving, it can be used to draw your ideas. For example, let me give an example, that for example you are starting a new business, new startup you can say. So this is your idea, and how your idea will float, how your idea will grow. So you can work on that. Just take a pencil and paper and just draw that you want to build a startup. So what is required to start up? Need resources, time, money, funds, guidance, etc. So what is required? Just take an idea and start drawing it like that, and start evaluating it like that. So friends, see here, mind map is a very simple technique of diagramming method, and there is no specific uh, you can say the technologies, no specific rules are required, that you need to identify any entities, relationships, dependencies. You just have an idea in your mind, and just you have to able to draw your thoughts and convert your thoughts and brainstorming into the onto the paper. Very simple example of mind map is like that. Just take a subject, the main idea. For example, your main idea is that you want to start up, you want to start up or you want to start a new business. For example, this is your main idea here. So think about any other sub idea, some just sub idea which is related to that idea. For example, your main idea is that you want to build the startup. The sub idea that you want the software house, for example, as a startup. Then in software house, what you will do, you will work on e-commerce solution, you will work on CRMs, you work on ERP. So see, here just try to understand how it grows. First you identify that you want to build an you want to build an startup. Then from startup you think that which type of startup, like software house you need. Then from software house you subdivide the idea that you want to build the CRM solution. Then for CRM solution, what you need, you need resources, money, funds, guidance, technology, so etc. So in that way you can think that first of all the main idea, then the sub idea, then the sub idea, and then the sub idea. So in this way it will grow like that. So okay, are you getting my point? That simple is that you just first have to identify your idea. For example, the main idea is this startup, the sub idea is software house. What else you can do? You can, let's suppose I'm just giving an example, you can start a new business as a restaurant. For example, I'm just giving an example, not take it as a serious. You want to start a restaurant, you want to start a teaching house, institute, you can say training center, you want to start, you can say you can start a consulting firm. Okay, so this is another idea. So friend, like how it works like that, first of all you have to identify the main idea first. Then you have to divide the main idea into sub ideas, and from sub ideas you have to further divide into the sub ideas. So in that way it will grow like that. Now friend, what are the benefits of uses? What are the benefits? Like you can take notes, the it can be used for brainstorming. The main purpose is brainstorming. Like brainstorming mean friend that you have to, like, two or three persons sit together and they think about their ideas, they discuss their ideas, and then they can reach to some frame of mind. Problem solving, it is a very important thing that you can use it for problem solving. Studying and memorizing, you can use. Planning, researching and consolidating information. Presenting information. Gaining insight on complex subjects, uh, just to polish your creativity. So friend, the purpose of the mind map, there are so many purposes which you can use it for. Like main purpose is problem solving, brainstorming, creativity, presentation, gaining insight on complex subjects. So there are so many uses they are there which you can use there for mind map to build the clarity about these things, like problem solving, planning, creativity. There are so many purposes or benefits of you can say uses of mind maps. Now friend, in the last, how to develop the mind map. Friend, see, the main idea is that to develop the mind map, first of all just take a pen, pencil and paper, and just put your idea in the middle of a paper. Okay, then identify the sub related topics, sub related idea which are related to your main idea. Then evaluate and repeat and think that what are the other things which are which other ideas which are linked to your sub idea, and repeat like that. What does it mean for a friend here? See, what does it mean? First of all, put your main idea here. For example, your main idea is to start the startup. Your sub idea is that you want to build the software house. And then repeat, what is your sub idea here? That you want to build the CRM. And for CRM, what you need resources, time, money, funds, etc. So you repeat the sub ideas like that here. So the main idea of building the mind map is that just put your main idea here, then sub idea, then sub idea, and then sub idea. Repeat the sub idea like that. In this way you can make the mind map here. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope I have tried my level best to explain you the concept of mind map in a very simple and easy to understand manner. If you like this, please share it with your friend and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you.